Welcome to my channel, Netgear N150 JNR10 Wi-Fi router, full setup DIY. Step 1, unbox and check stuff. Alright, first things first, make sure you've got everything. Router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, that's the main trio. Sometimes people forget the cable and wonder why nothing connects, so yeah, check that first. Step 2, plug it in. Find a power outlet close to where your modem sits. Plug the adapter into the wall and the other end into the router. Wait till those little LEDs blink. Usually takes, 20 seconds? Step 3, connect to your modem. Now grab the Ethernet cable. Plug one end into your modem and the other into the yellow internet port on the back of the Netgear router. That's the one usually labeled Internet or WAN. Make sure it clicks in properly. Step 4, hook up your PC or laptop. For the first setup, don't use Wi-Fi yet. Plug another Ethernet cable from your computer into one of those gray LAN ports on the router. It just makes the setup smoother. We'll deal with Wi-Fi in a bit. Step 5, open the setup page. Now open your browser, Chrome, Firefox, whatever you use. In the address bar, type 192.168.1.1 or routerlogin.net. If one doesn't work, try the other. You should see the Netgear login page pop up. Default username, admin, password, password. Yeah, I know, super creative. Don't worry, we'll change that later. Step 6, follow the setup wizard. Once you're in, you'll see this basic Netgear setup wizard. Hit next and let it detect your internet connection. If your modem's working fine, it'll automatically grab the IP settings. If not, unplug both devices, wait 10 seconds and plug them back in. Works 9 out of 10 times. Step 7, change your Wi-Fi name and password. Go to wireless settings, rename Netgear XX to something you like, e.g. Homebase or Coffee. Set a strong, easy-to-remember password, then hit apply. The router may restart. That's normal. Step 8, secure your admin login. Go back to the main settings and change that default admin password. Please do this. Seriously, leaving it as password is like leaving your house door wide open. Set a new one and save it somewhere safe. Step 9, test your connection. Test it on YouTube or speedtest.net. If it's slow, reboot your modem and router. It fixes most issues. Step 10, final tweaks. If you want, go into the advanced settings. You can change channels, check connected devices, or update firmware. But honestly, if everything's working fine, you don't need to mess with it too much. Just leave it be and enjoy your Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching.